How to fix Netflix not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, scroll down and search Netflix app. So you will see Netflix app is here, so click on Netflix app. Scroll down and click on storage. So you will see, so if you want to fix Netflix not working problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after click on clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Netflix not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.